on me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just
So that's what we're working towards. And it's going to be a big group this year. Well, much bigger. Perspectives on bigger vary. It's going to be a much bigger group this year. As you can tell, it's going to be a much better group this year. And every year it improves. So if you have any questions for me, that's the end of the performance. Please come up and talk to me. Come up and talk to Margarita. We'd love to hear from you. We want to get your contact information so we can really work as a team to make that happen.
rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here bop 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 ding.